Time now for this hour's car review. I was fortunate to get to drive the 2024 GMC Sierra. It's available in these trim levels: the Pro, the SLE, the SLT, the AT4, AT4X, with sublet trim levels Denali and Ultimate. Comes in 3 cabs, 2 beds that are available for purchase. The reviewed trim level was the GMC 2500 4-wheel drive Crew AT4X. This is an off-road focused 3/4 ton pick-em-up truck. If you've got one of those 90-foot long trailers that you tow, this would be right up your alley.
That's the one.
What size and class? Ultra big pickup truck. Seats including the driver, 5 or 6. If you get the front bench seat, it's 6. Exterior changes from last model year, none. This vehicle is 21 feet long.
Whoa.
And weighs 5 tons.
What? What?
Yes. This vehicle weighs 5 tons and is 21 feet long.
10,000 pounds?
I'm thinking, yeah, that's my math.
Yes.
Well, I had to take my shoes off to do it, but yeah, that's a lot.
This is a massive beast. The top of the hood, as you're standing next to it, the top of the hood is as tall as my shoulders. I'm a 6'1" man.
How do you check the oil?
On a ladder.
Oh,
Rectangle grill with exposed red tow hooks in the lower valance. Built-in hood scoop with modern clearance lights up above. Built-in tow steps in the painted rear bumper. What I liked? The off-road edition has those small wheels with the big fat tires. I like that look. That's for me. What could use improvement? Make a multi-pro tailgate standard on this pickup upscale truck. Interior highlights. High-end leather interior with a great big huge center console. You could take a bath in it.
Wow.
Extra large infotainment screen that works well. Cell phone pocket under the console lid. Brilliant with the charger in it. Excellent sound system. The bed has 110-volt electric outlets back there. What I liked about the interior highlights, perfect for your 40-foot fifth-wheel home. What could use improvement? Move the gear shift in the center console to the dash. Why take up all of that room for that great big huge gear shift when you can either have push buttons, do it? It's all electronic. Yeah. It's not connected to anything. It's an automatic transmission. Just my thought. 6.6 liter diesel V8 that only has 470 horsepower, but it has 975 pound-feet of torque.
That's to get that 10,000 pounds moving.
Yeah. A 10-speed automatic transmission. Tow rating, 21,900 pounds.
Well, there you go.
Haul rating, 3,291 pounds. You could, haul lead in the back of this thing. Miles per gallon. Now, it wasn't rated because it doesn't fall under that EPA category that you can actually find that on the Monroney. Well, I got 14.1 miles per gallon over 163.3 miles. What I liked about it, capability takes fuel. And that is, it's a good thing and it's a bad thing. It's diesel fuel, so
it's a purpose-built truck.
It is, and I see some guys, mainly guys, driving these things down the street thinking this is really cool. Well, okay, that's what you want. Mm-hmm. The capability's there, but you ain't towing nothing. You ain't hauling nothing. Ride and handling. Well, it's got the capability to tow, and it rides rough without anything towing it or in the bed. What could use improvement? The mileage. But you can't have both. You can't have the capability with the mileage. Competitors. Ford F-250 starts at $48,760. The Ram 2500 goes for $45,250, and the Chevy 2500 goes for $46,900. Our base model price was $48,100.
Oh, that's not bad.
Base trim price, $81,800. Prices tested, Mars, $103,225.
Nelly.
You know,
I wouldn't have guessed that.
no, I wouldn't either. I was hanging in the high 80s.
I was thinking 92.
Well,
That's
max,
close.
yeah,
Yeah,
90-ish.
yeah, about.
103 for a truck.
I had to take the number's so large that I had to take my glasses off. I could see it way out there.
A 21-foot long truck.
Yeah,
That weighs
weighs
10,000 pounds.
put that in the garage.
There you go.
Hey, if you'd like to get in touch with us, shoot us an email. The address here is info@nwheeltime.com. Back after this quick break. Tailpipes and